Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to open up a package. I won a giveaway on YouTube. It was a Memory Decks subbie giveaway from Karina here on YouTube. I will link her down below, and I won the goodies, you guys. I got home and I'm so excited to just open this because it's one thing looking at it in a video and then you actually win it. You're like, oh my gosh, like shut up. Like feels like Christmas. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, look at this cute bow first off, and look at this bag. Love this. Definitely reusing this. I'm reusing the box she sent it in. Oh, look how cute. So this is that Lauren Conrad ornament, but it's like a little, and it smells good. From, I think these are from Kohl's. But look at her little tulle dress. Totally just gonna be like permanent decor in my craft room. Oh my gosh, she's so precious. Okay, this bow, saving all these goodies. Here's my card. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And look at this little pen. Hey girl, hey. That's what the pen says. Let me read this real quick. Girl, did you make this? You like layered this all up? Super cute. You totally made this. She said she makes a bunch of Christmas cards for her, like everybody, basically everybody she knows. Oh my gosh, girl, you are a trooper. Look how cute. Thank you. And glad you enjoyed your hot cocoa. Okay, and look at the shred in here too. This is just like festive. Okay, so first thing, look at these cute Maggie Holmes that I never found at my Tuesday morning. I have some of these, but I never found them for that price. Yay, I'm so excited, you guys. Like, who doesn't like winning free stuff? Look at this, these little bulldog clips. Love these colors, these mints. Love, love, love. Ooh, I don't have this. Crafter's Companion. It's like a scallop lacy border edge. Love this. Cuts and embosses. I'm so excited, you guys. And some of these Amy Tangerine die cuts. These kind of look like they go with that Oasis collection. Or not Oasis. You guys know what I'm talking about. Totally goes with that, though. Then these little bow bunny. They're like super thin laser die cuts. Like almost like chipboard or something. Oh, yeah, it says right there. Chipboard. Super cute little ball leaves. And look at this, Wild Child. Do not have these. Oh my gosh, look at that little unicorn. These are so cute. Love this. Oh my gosh, and look at these. Little like puffy gold hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Totally using those. All of these. All this stuff. Look. Oh my gosh, I called one of these. These are like so cute, and I can't believe that they're only priced at $1.49. I love, love, love. This is like my favorite Maggie Holmes embossing sheet because of these tickets right here. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, and then these Maggie Holmes from Tuesday morning. That little bow. Love the gold. Gold. It's like gold foiling. Then this little stamp says, love this. In the black ink. It's like it's already self-inked. And then look at these gorgeous, gorgeous chipboard, carousel chipboard pieces. I love, love, love those swan. Look at the little cotton candy pieces. I know this is a big giant thing, so it's not like all the way in the frame. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like winning stuff, like it seriously feels like you're winning like the jackpot, you know? So thank you so, so much, Karina, for hosting your subbie giveaway. If you guys don't know who she is, she's Karina Westfall here on YouTube. I will link her Instagram as well down below. So thank you, girl, for hosting a giveaway challenge, and I won in the drawing. I'm so excited. You guys should go give her a follow if you're not. And yes, now I get to go play with all my fun stuff. Okay. Bye guys, I will catch you in the next video.